taking a moment to tune in with what this pilgrimage has been for you. Can you take us into a moment that impacted you?
For me, this pilgrimage has been a remembering and an honoring of a deep soul knowing of my connection to Mary Magdalene and the lineage of Yeshua. And by answering this call to come and be with this land, I have honored a very deep and ancient part of myself. And being up on the top of Mount Bergerac yesterday with Thomas playing the pipe and the wind blowing so strongly, and we were dancing and embodying this childlike sense of joy, and I felt so alive, and I felt so aligned, and I felt so just perfectly in divine timing. And it's been such an honor and a privilege to be able to step foot in these sacred lands, to commune with these sacred places, to feel the presence of Mary Magdalene and Yeshua and the lineage of these beautiful humans and all that they represent. And it has just been such a joy to be able to be in these places and to feel my physical vessel in the same geographic location as these celestial beings, and to feel that connection through the land and through this sacred group of humans who has come together in this specific time and place to be here and anchor into that love and into that light and to be here now.
Can you share a little bit about how you felt in the group?
I have no doubt that this group came together in a pre-orchestrated divine plan, that we have decided to come together in this lifetime to have this experience in this here and now moment. And I think that we all feel this deep sense of knowing that this was orchestrated in other dimensions, other past lives, for us to be here in the now, in these physical vessels, with all of our individual stories and individual medicine that we bring into this circle. And in this circle, there has been such a sense of safety for us to be ourselves, to express, to be seen, to be heard, to share our voices, and to feel seen and to feel held in this beautiful weaving of tapestry of love and light and connectedness and safety. And in that safety, we've been able to bloom, and we've been able to witness each other in transformation and in growth, and the peaks and valleys of such transformational experiences, and to be held in that has been really, really profound.
What is something that you experienced in the pilgrimage that you would wish more of in the world?
It is my deep hope and prayer for humanity that humans get to experience this sense of connectedness, this sense of freedom, this sense of aliveness, this sense of purpose and alignment and love There's been such a strong anchoring of love in this pilgrimage and with the humans that are gathered here. And if everyone could even just have a moment of this profound sense of love, I think the world would be a really different place.
Anything else that you would like to share?
If you feel a little voice or a little inkling telling you to lean into an offering by Thomas, then I say go for it. That is your higher self, your expanded self, nudging you forward to have an expansive experience. And that letting those voices of doubt and reason to just fade away and to trust your inner knowing. That if this is feeling resonant for you, to lean in, jump in, leap in into this experience, because there is no way you're going to leave the same person that you started out as. There's only going to be expansion and growth and soul remembrance and soul opening and heart opening and mind opening. It's just going to be incredibly expansive, to say the least.